You are at a flea market. You see a very beautiful shiny piece. The seller tells you that it is a silver coin. You really love it, but you are not sure if it is really made of silver. Have you ever been in a similar situation? Let's see how to use the Precious Coin Tester full customization option to help you out. For example, imagine one day you come across this coin. Look at what's written on this side. It seems to be a commemorative piece for a space project, likely linked to a space machine. On the other side, it reads, Official Commemorative Issue, honoring the launch of Soyuz and Apollo, July 15th, 1975. There's also something in French.
Émission commémorative officielle, en l'honneur du lancement de Soyuz et d'Apollo, le 15 juillet 1975.
The seller says it's made of silver, and you can see a hallmark on the edge of the coin. You're very interested, but not sure if it's solid silver or just coated. What can you do? You might think of an XRF test. However, an XRF test only checks the surface of a coin, as we mentioned on Twitter and explained in one of our videos. XRF won't give you a complete answer. You can find the link to that video in the description part. A Sigma machine is a viable option, but it might not be affordable for everyone. We faced this exact problem years ago and developed a solution for it, that is the Precious Coin Tester app. It does not only have a huge database with over 40,000 coins, but also support full customization, which is very suitable in this case. Because this is a very rare round and it does not exist in the database. Now, let's try it out together. The app needs the coin's type, weight, diameter, and purity to determine if it produces the expected sound. It is a silver round, and let's try with purity 99%. Then let's find its weight. It is 20.44 grams. At last, let's measure its diameter. It is 38.5 millimeters. Make sure the parameters you enter are correct. That's one of the most common mistakes beginners make in the app. Getting these right is essential to getting an eligible answer. Now, let's start the test. Balance the coin on your fingers and gently tap it once or twice. You get a 2-star rating. This means the coin sounds correct. A 2-star rating is the best we can get for a customized coin, since the app only uses the 4 basic details of the coin. We cannot give a special 3-star purity rating. Still, a 2-star result is very good. It means the coin's sound matches that of an original. So, let's buy it. We hope you now know how to use the full customization feature to test any gold or silver coin you want. If you want to learn more or keep track of our latest features, please subscribe to our channel. See you next time.